O to make your wife fell loved. Oui to making to many assumption or being to many stereotype, it is still safe to set at harmony without who don't fell a loved at desire en deserve. Perhaps they are actually lacking in love, but it is likely that their spouse simply do a poor job of expressing love. If you want to make your wife feel loved, emploie action en attitude t'approve you know her, cherish her, prioritize her, en want to do whatever it take to make her feel beautiful, value, en her. Loving her by knowing her, en yourself. Take advice but trust your instinct. There are many thousands of web pages dedicated to telling you to make to special woman in your life feel beautiful, appreciated, and loved, including tion, of course. Remember, that you are not trying to make a generic woman feel loved, but an unique woman in the world, your wife. Some women want to be showered with gift, or get more pleasure out of the money you save on the grocery bill. Some want to be treated like a princess, or like a true equal. Use the type ragged, then, no a guarantee. Please also note that, because the article most likely to be consulted by husband seeking to make their wife feel more loved, some généralisations en mariage rôle engendre tréma par 8 steps. However, most of advice should be more broadly applicable to your particular situation. Show you know her best. You'll find law of advice column that bring her book of flower, but you know surely prefer a big slice of good cheesecake. A her spouse, you, hopefully, know her better than anyone else in the world, and one of the best way to make her feel loved is to profit. Dr. John Gottman, a recognized authority in the field, speaks of enhancing your love map, essentially, what him is getting to know her world, history, cure concern, hope and dream, etc., even better en using mutual knowledge to strengthen your bond. If your map of her world is a bit lacking in detail, work on becoming more open and interested in listening and learning. The section of the article should be of use in doing so. Think about activity en experience t'ave made your wife happiest. Take notes on them if necessary. If she love a good adventure, make ta a priority. If the simple pleasure of a key night to get sitting on the couch make it mark, go ta route. In some way, you make know her better than she know herself. So don't always just do what she want from you to make her feel loved. Listen, observe, learn, draw on your history to get, and do what you know will make her feel loved. Speak her language. The concept of the five love language a become well known in regard to relationship problem en solution. 2, often, it seems, the problem is not you, the spouse, are not attempting to show love, but a manner in which you express it, your language, in been translated as such by your wife. According to the concept, the five love language are, word of affirmation, act of service, receiving gift, quality time, en physical touch. Autorita et person receive love predominantly in none of the five language. For instance, a wife who speak quality time feel more loved from a picnic in the park than from you cleaning out her car, act of service, or buying her flower, receiving gift. Again, you need to draw upon your history, experience, en unique bond with your wife. Think about a type of love expression are most powerfully received by her, and rededicate yourself to offering your love according to her native tongue. Even if you don't fully buy valve into one of the five love language category, it certainly can only help to more deeply analyze what type of love expression are most effective with your wife. Performing loving action. Don't let clothing. Grand gesture, te surprise trip to Paris, te dream kitchen, te diamant necklace, certainly have their place in showing love. Te are a bit like show of love adrenaline, however. On a des tout des basis, Small gesture of affection en appréciation provide te stidi en ergineida tout sustain love ovetelon o, 3. Quand you maker fait le loved beat a king out te trash oui tout ben asked, volunteering tout à que te qui tout succès practice, ordouin te dit chebe forche a chance tout jette tout aime. You might be surprised much poelite le day activity que te scan have to maker fait value in your relationship, 4. Show your thinking of air. Live air a lit le note in morning. Sans air a text with encouraging verb for air big présentation à work. Dont justement br birthday, remember moter birthday. Fetting make someone fel more lovet en benable to honestly believe that person you love it thinking of you at a very moment, 5. Surpriser. Indeed, ta trip to Paris en diamant necklace d'oel to maker fel loved. Bu surprise dont alve have to be big to be pleasant loving. Taker, une announced, on fancy that night. Make réservation to a Nice restaurant, jet ticket to a show, line up à visiter, even surpriser with a limorid if you want. Live new area on te bet a you know shell leak. O.O.R.A. love again, everyone si now will, 6. Especially if you are with respond most to quality team, just making en extra effort some team will pay dividend, 7. Live ta paperwork besoin every so often en comme home bitterly just to be witter. Go for a walk, mac dîner to jeter, ordo whatever else ma comme to me with your unexpected free team to jeter. Te rare a million task à work en home you could besoin, bublalit te le irresponsible in or de to giver summon on non team, 8. Maker fel botiful. Iti a safbet ta allo omen, emmen, fort à mater, like ben ma de tout fait l'attractivité person tel love. Neve assume choc no you sti fin er a lovely at day you marié er, tel er. Allo, 9. Dont jette coke looking out o omen, ati consent à bad message. Juste à importante li, jette coke looking air from team to team. L'air fait you raison air when trison ta new dress, or even when shin soit fort à mater. It te timing right, probably no in public, en you know show il appreciate, go over te top en giv air à 4 calor wolfouiste le. 9. EV, comparer négative li tout apprend sauf à noter au homme en, or even en all picture of herself. Choc nota over te year, somme par offer have changed chapter shifted position. L'air knota you fin te body in rh ino. Priorities with your action. O omen en children first mab en out dated concept in some quarter, bu prioritizing your wife neidino. Do what vi in your poet to ether burden. Nobody said love was easy, or come we to work or sacrifice, 10. Will all fashioned gentleman notion like holding open durant pulling out sherma or manob appreciated, gesture clearly intended a sign of attention, respect, en affection like li wilb. Much dépend upon o you portray your effort. Donc carry int grocery or te gaffer because you don't think can do it. Do tem to make det at inhibitesier. Do tem with as mil, no agramble. Especially if you are with speak love language of act of service, making it effort to prioritize their need en air comfort should be particularly effective. 11. You are also likely to earn admiration, en it easy to feel loved by someone you admire. 12. Cretinia loving environment. Listen to her, en really listen. No allo omen art sam, but it probably safe to assume ta your wife want you to a list occasionally juste si donne en listen to her vent, complaint, brag, gossip, revel, question, or simply talk. 13. Dr. John Gottman advise spouse to turn tovar eote in a more figurative sense, but it also a go first step for truly listening. 14. Look at your wife when she want to talk. Keep your contact. Turn off the TV. Put away your phone. Listen more than you speak, unless seeking a response. It alve a go feeling to note as someone is truly interested in what you have to say, or even than or ridicule with mab. listen with tout trying to fix everything. Some team your wife, like everyone else, just one as undigne boar. Je might want to vocalize en work through a problem with a coworker. For instance, en wash need a supportive face to look a, no for you to call office the next day to set thing straight. Ben attentive y often the best way to be supportive, oui she critical to solving a problem ta originate but incide en outside de mariage, 15. Be strong en nous to be vulnerable en be help. Te profiling stéréotype rementa of te stoic, closed of husband en te wif whoi je to user maternal instinct to care for him, if you would only lazarine. Ove accurate, or wildly inaccurate, the image may be in your situation, letting your guardian en letting your wife into your life more will almost certain libre interpreted as sign of love, 16. If she want to baby you a little when you're sick, l'air, we to taking advantage, if she want to know you feel about your motor dit, talk to her about it. L'air be you rock, a you try to be air. Ne be afraid to cry, ti a sign your strength, no weakness. Take it upon yourself to show te bravery to be open, honest, invulnerable. Je dis d'un marry you because you are perfect. Je de un alve one a knight in shining armor, most of the time a list, je want you to strip away your armor. Give her all you, en trust that he will make her feel loved, 17. 7 ans exemple for en e-children you have, if you have en e-children to gt, they are probably no at the core of essence of self en purpose, even in what they are no for you a fate. Regardless of the shifting terrain aboitement to bagod mote or fate, ben a loving, caring, involve parent I alveon of the best way to show love to your spouse. Think of your children en extension of your wife, because in many way they are. In fact, they are en extension of both of you, and your alm of shared manning ta ben you to jete, 18, make them feel loved, en she will feel it too. Pre-talking to a fait widowance just mani se something like a go fate on of their first compliment. Show your children how much you value, so they will also value. Compliment your wife in front of the kid. Treat with respect. Tell her she beautiful, en give her gift in their presence, or let them help you do it, 19. Say love you like you mean it, en mean it when you say it. Tose treat te levor, properly employed, invariably ma canyon fel loved. If vor of affirmation are your with primary love language, tent phrase become even more essential, 20. Tofan I love you when you're running out the door to work good, en usually appreciated. Ove, don't forget to stop, look her in the, en say love you avel. Say it when you're happy, when you're sad, when you're frustrated, when things are good and when they're not so good. Let nota your love for her on of the alt of a constant in her life. Tip. Be truthful. Give her a kiss, even when she no expecting it. Don't expect love in return alt time. Give freely we to expect